Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Blues again, and today I'm going to be breaking down gold. Telling you what exactly I'll be expecting on Monday, and I mean the opening of the section in the Asia. So if you look on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that gold has been extremely bearish on the 4 hours time frame. It's been bearish overall, but intraday gold has been bullish intraday, starting from this last low over here until the most recent high over here. So for my analysis, I actually identified the turning points on the market, and I use support resistance patterns and other things that I've learned to find my entries. First of all, I start by drawing my most recent high, which is this level over here, and then the last low that I can ever find, and then I look for the most recent lower high, which is this low over here, and then its inverse zone, which is this low over here. The concept is quite simple, and it goes as this: if price is supposed to trade to this recent high, it's like it drop back to this low before it breaks up above. So I will be looking for entry there in the future. So currently this is our most current price, and I'll be looking on the 4 hour to see if there will be any pattern, anything that will lead to bearish continuation of the 4 hour main trend. So I'll be dropping to the 1 hour time frame to go and look for market structure and then patterns. Anyways, I don't know to really use trend lines that much. I really focus on taking entries. My entries usually lead to extreme bearish move, which will be very unexpected by certain traders. But for this video, I'm going to be using that trend line to make things easier for you guys. As you can see, we did had a demand level, right? Had this level of demand which went with this inverse bottom over here, right? Price tapped the demand level. As you can see, price tapped this level over here, and then if I'm to be more realistic, I actually bought this one on Friday from this price, and I placed my stop below the low. I got taken out, right? Currently price isn't that bullish anymore. We have invalidated the demand level. We have invalidated this demand level over here. As a result, I believe that price is literally going to be dropping all the way back into these lows over here, right? So what I will be expecting tomorrow personally is that I'm expecting that price will pull back into these zones all over again and drop to the downside, right? It's very simple. You have a supply zone, price is trading within the supply zone. All you need to do is to wait for confirmation only on the 1 hour. It doesn't work on any other lower time frame. Just the supply zone, a simple confirmation, a simple drop to the downside. When the market opens, I'll just wait for an extra bearish confirmation, and I'll just sell, adjust my stop and stuff to manage the position until I reach my first TP, until maybe if price is going to drop any further to the downside, and I'll take the final TP and then close for the day. But however, if just in case price fails to fulfill this bearishness I've done and start to go bullish, I might literally not take any trade until price breaks out of the zone and gives me a new setup. So this concludes for the very thing I expect on XAUUSD for Monday. I hope you like this video. This is my very first video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping more trade ideas and video content for you guys to learn something from.